money, hold up, got a cutter, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Please don't mind the hair. As you can see in the title, it's a maintenance day. We're doing all things maintenance. But first, I am starving. I didn't prep my breakfast the night before, and when I don't do that, I'm just so unmotivated and lazy. We're about to get breakfast at this new coffee shop that I wanted to try. My friend literally told me about it like probably 2 days ago, maybe yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get some more braiding hair, some detergent, and that should be it. And then we're gonna get the self-care going on. So yeah, let's get something to eat. Let's feed the tummy, and I'll be back. Good, how are you? Thank you so much. Okay, I really don't know what I want.
That's okay. Take your time.
I heard about this place like 2 days ago, so I just wanted to try it.
Who told you?
Yeah, somebody that I work with at lunch was like, "Oh my gosh, this place is so cute." So I was like, "Oh my god, here." And I was like 15 minutes away.
Give a really big hug for me.
Of course. Are y'all new?
Absolutely, yeah.
A year and a half.
Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't know how I go low. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the bounce down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow back when I'm in town. Is it gonna use the kids? I don't really got a chance. I'm about to fix. This is all of my forget. Pocket diamonds on wig. I go water around my neck. I just start to relax. When the bubble bitch lit. I take my friends. Niggas sending me threats. I'm bottom of the list. I'm protecting my flesh. Pour my bed. Get the front of my head.
It's called Cozy Beans. Right here. And they've been open for, she said, like about a year and a half. It was so cute in there. And they were really nice. Like, the owner was really nice. And that pumpkin croissant, she was not wrong. I'm glad I got that. It has some apple filling in the middle, which I wasn't really fond of, but it was still good nonetheless. And then what else? I'm gonna just see what needs me. I do need some more hair ties. I'm glad I ain't get no basket. Okay, so I knew I was gonna do that, but I just spent way too much money. But now we're going to Safeway, and I'm just getting detergent.
Please scan it now. Scan items one at a time. 11.99.
Okay, we're finally done. We need to get the fuck out of Lulu. My feet look so big right now. But I just have on these shoes. Why my feet look so big? Don't throw me off. Lulu set. That's the vibes. It's been a lot vlogging in public. Like I keep thinking somebody's gonna be like, is that a camera? Yes. And then I have everything in my hand. I don't know how y'all do it, but I'm gonna give y'all a little haul of everything I got. So I got to be spray because I ran out of mine. This is really the OG spray. Like, if you know, you know. I'm gonna use this with the hairstyle I'm doing today too. It just gives you a nice sleek look. Then I got Wild Growth Oil. This is really for my man. So yeah, I'm gonna give that to him today. And then I got this OG as well. You just spray this on your hair. And if you have any like whiteness or stuff like products in your hair, just put this on it and it will just remove it. But it also gives you a good shine, moisturizes your hair, all that. Trying out this. It's just for braids and twists. And I do a lot of braided styles. And I just like how it's like, can you see? It's like this hard. material. It's not one of them gels that is like wet. Like this is hard. As y'all saw, I just got a pack of hair. The color 2. And I just got more hair ties because I don't know, I buy hair ties all the time, but I just be losing them. But this is a good size. But today I felt so basic because not only did I get a matcha, because I make matchas at home every now and then, but they're really not that good. But I just got it just because I didn't know what else to get. And matchas are cool. But I'm also wearing a Lululemon set. Like everybody wear this set when they do a maintenance vlog. Yeah, I just been feeling like a basic ass bitch, but it's okay. I still look cute. Like this set is so cute. I always want to be a Lululemon ass girl. So shout out to my man for giving me this set. Like I feel so cute.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense, speaking out.
Okay, so now I have some wax. Here are my wax beads. My wax machine is dumb dirty. Don't judge. It gets the job done.
Fuck it, you know how my job get, walking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I just write for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe it. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. She repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the food, but I love me a piece. Deal with me, and she my little secret. Trying to dish me, blow about people. I can't respond with this, do what you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig it.
Okay, so we about to wash this hair. And I should have washed it yesterday so that it can be dry while I do my cornrows. But it is what it is. So first, we're going to detangle it.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed, really got it. Turning in a given time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Bro, ain't got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the vibe. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, so she love me.
Now it's time to wash. So I just washed with this, and I'm conditioning right now with this. There's barely anything of each. I usually I just keep conditioner in.
I'm in a different league. I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air. Only time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check. It ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go. We only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta. I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix. I built this shit forever. Have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play-doh. Brought it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he spin good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they make a Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Cuno took it off, I was always talking, say hoes when you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real.
Okay, so the hair is finally done. And I went through so many emotions. But anyways, I'm about to put my scarf on and all that. My mom is vacuuming, but I'm putting the got to be on. I'm also gonna spray with this.
I need everything inside the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go out, finish this, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need everything inside the deal. Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wade, habit, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, breaking that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep him back, get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speed in the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong, gotta keep it a gun, not a regular, but that's strong, fucking hoe by the week every month, she want me stick it in deep in a gun, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lot of order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach.
Hair done, nails done, freshly waxed, feeling good. The nails, yes, they do look basically the same as when I started. The color's a little bit different, but yeah, I wanted to do a design on each finger. Didn't happen. I was rushing and I also just couldn't think. Well, I thought of designs, but it just didn't come out right. So I wasn't about to force it. This is nice and clean, and we'll do something different in 2 weeks. Yeah, leave some suggestions for the nails if y'all want. I love friendship, so I can do designs on the tips. Also leave some suggestions for some different hairstyles I can do, because I'm really trying to keep up with my hair and do my hair every other week, even if it's my natural hair. But I like that I don't have to do my hair in the morning for work. I can just run out. So I prefer a protective style. So if y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this self-care at home maintenance little vlog. I'm gonna try to keep up with videos like this since I'm already doing my maintenance on a consistent basis. Might as well film it for y'all. Let me know how y'all like this video, if y'all want to see more, because then I'll do more. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video.